Welcome to the tutorial for MessageManager 1.1. MessageManager is an add-on for EasyGUI by Above and Beyond software, and you must have a licensed installation of EasyGUI to be able to use MessageManager. With MessageManager, you only need one simple line of code to show messages on screen. These messages can be displayed in your GUI, heads-up display, or within the game world itself. You can have any number of message displays using any color and any available EasyGUI-ready typeface. The system also provides for an optional on-the-fly drop shadow, optional text clipping box, and scroll list support for each message display you have set up. Each message display will have a unique name, so sending a message to any display in the game is quite simple. When you send a message, just include the unique name of the display, the text of the message, and optionally a color tag. MessageManager will route this message to the proper display and then fade it off after a period of time. These methods are overloaded, so the use of the color tag is easy and optional. Don't forget that the content of these messages are simply strings, so any game data that can be made into a string can be sent as a message display. Scores, warnings, collision information, equipment, info, whatever you can imagine. You can send that as a message. At this point, I'm going to assume that you know how to use EasyGUI on a basic level, including how to generate fonts from your chosen typefaces. I do think it's worth noting that font image atlases need to be built as white to accept color tinting. Black type will always display black regardless of what color tag you set. More details on this and font creation can be seen in the sprite text tutorials from A&B Soft. At this point, you should move on to either the Quick Start Guide to get up and running quickly, but with very little explanation, or you should move on to the Overview and Setup videos, which will go ahead and show you how to use MessageManager in much more detail.